welcome to my channel Bake with Dipali. I'm gonna show you today how to make a funfetti mug cake in a microwave, which will be ready in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. Now in a bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Into this I'm going to add 1 egg. And I'm going to whisk this together with a fork. So once this is mixed properly, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk into this, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to whisk this again. You can directly mix this all together in a mug also, but I think I will be dividing this in 2 cups, so I'm using a bowl for this. Now into this I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of flour. I'm using here self-raising flour. The recipe for self-raising flour is there in the description box. I'll also put this somewhere on the screen. Just mix everything together now. And now in the end, the most important ingredient, the sprinkles, and gently fold them. The batter is ready now. I'll shift this batter into my 2 cups. So lastly, sprinkle some funfetti over your cake batter. And now our funfetti cake is ready to go to the microwave, where you are going to cook it for 1 minute. So this is our ready funfetti mug cake, which is very hot right now, but it's too soft and it's looking amazing. I'll show you a bite of this. Too soft it is. See, our mug cake is looking so pretty. It's so soft and moist from inside, and the sprinkles are looking too good. See the softness. So mug cakes are good for many reasons. They are quick to mix, they take seconds to make, and require no oven. So thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, this is Dipali from dipaliori.com.